Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says we have to solve this linear inequality for x. So, first, what we will do, we will talk about domain. Okay, you know that log a to the base b is a number when raised on b produces a for all a and b greater than 0 and b cannot be equal to 1. So if you'll observe this question, you need not to worry about base because base is not 1 and base is a positive number, so it is okay. Correct? You have to worry about the argument only. So first define the domain for argument. You know that domain should be positive, means argument should be positive. Okay, so greater than 0. Now simplify this thing. So x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 greater than 0. So it is x minus 2 and x plus 1. So if you will solve this inequality, now you will get minus 1, 2 plus minus plus. And you have to consider what? You have to consider only positive rooms. So here x belongs to what? Minus infinity to minus 1. No, no. If it is without equality, so it is no, no. Okay, union 2 to infinity. So this is your domain of first argument. Now you have to talk to the second argument, minus x square plus 2x plus 3. This has to be greater than 0. Correct? So we have to use wavy curve method to solve this inequality. You know that leading coefficient should be positive. So what I will do, I will multiply both sides by minus. Also, you know that if we will multiply by negative number, the sign of inequality will change. Okay, so it will look like x square minus 2x minus 3 less than 0. So x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 less than 0. So it is x minus 3 x plus 1. Correct? Now plot them on the number line. So it goes minus 1 to 3, and in this case plus minus plus, and in this part you have to consider only negative room, so that is minus 1 to 3. No, no. Now for domain you have to take intersection of both the things together. So what we will do, we will plot them on the same number line. So it is minus 1, it is 2, it is 3. Correct? So from 2 to infinity, from minus 1 to minus infinity, this is your first room, and then we have minus 1 to 3. So this is your room. Now for required x, you know that you will consider only those room in which both person stays. So do you think this is the room? No, in this room there is only one person. Do you think we should consider this room? No, it is the room in which only one person exists. Do you think it is that room? Yes, in this room both persons stays. So it is 2 to 3. No, no. Do you think it is the room? No. So for domain, this is the answer. Now you are done with domain. Now you guys can talk about its inequality. Correct? Now if you will observe the base of the log now, you will find out that base of the log is smaller than 1. You know that if base of the log is smaller than 1, it is decreasing function. You also know that if you will apply or remove decreasing function, sign of inequality will change. So for this inequality, I am trying to remove this decreasing function. So you know that the sign of inequality will change. So it is x square minus x minus 2 less than minus x square, what was that, minus x square plus 2x plus 3. So this is your inequality. Okay, now we have to solve this and then take intersection with the required, this domain, required domain. This is domain, please be careful. Now we will solve this linear inequality. So we will take everything on one side. So we will be having 2x square minus 3x minus 5 less than 0. Okay, so it is 10. So it is 2x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 5 less than 0. Okay, so x is common plus 1 is common and then 2x minus 5. So we will plot them on the number line. So it is minus 1 and it is 5 by 2 plus minus plus. You will consider only those room in which it is less than 0. Less than 0 means what? Negative. So x belongs to what? Minus 1 to 5 by 2. No, no. Now what we will do? We will take intersection of green and yellow. Okay. So you have to take intersection. So required x belongs to. What we will do? We will plot them on the same number line. So it goes minus 1, then 2, then 5 by 2 and then 3. Let's plot everything. So it is from this to this. This is the first green part, and 5 by 2 to minus 1. So this is the thing, and you have to consider only those rooms in which both person are there. Do you think it is the room? No. Do you think it is the room? No. Do you think it is the room? Yes. So it is 2 to 5 by 2, both no. Do you think this is the room? No. Do you think this is the room? No. So we got required x as 2 comma 5 by 2. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.